Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Google document from within your Gmail account, because that's how you access the Drive or Google Docs is through your Gmail account. So here we are in Gmail, and just look for the 9 dots right here. Click on it, and either look for the Drive icon or the Docs icon. Now, if you don't see these, it might be because they're down here somewhere. Did you know that these can be moved around? Yeah, just like this. I'm going to move this Docs way up high, and the Drive as well. Move these around like this, any way you want. This way you can easily access them anytime you want to. So let's go ahead and click on Drive first. When you click on that Drive icon, it opens up a new window. And this is your Drive. And if you've never created anything, of course, it's going to be empty. So to create a new Google document in your Drive, just go to New, Google Docs, Blank Document. Now, either a blank document or something from their templates that you might want to just, jumpstart you, like a resume or an invoice or anything like that. Or just start with a new blank document, especially if you're just starting from scratch and it's something that you want to write or type out, a letter or notes. I take notes on almost everything. So of course I open up a Google Doc and I tell my friends and my clients, hey, open up a Google Doc, get it started, drop your ideas and your notes in there, and then share it with me. So that's how to create a new Google Doc from within the Drive, your Google Drive. New, Google Docs, blank document, and then that opens up a blank document. If you were to choose new Google Docs from a template, it's going to open up a new window and it's going to give you a myriad of different options. What do you want to do? You want a report, letter, resume, project proposal, a brochure? What kind of template do you want to use? All kinds of templates in here. And once you open up the template, you can pretty much edit it any way you want, because it's just basically a document with their text in there, their layouts, their formats, their ideas, and then you just come in here and you just edit this any way you want. And that's how to create a Google document from within the Google Drive, New, Google Docs, blank document. Okay, and we're opening all these windows here, but we're going to close them because I want to show you how to create a Google document from within the Docs window. So we're going to close these windows, and we're going to close this here. And let's say we're in the Gmail account, and we're going to click on the 9 dots. We're going to click on Docs, because this here is a way to get right to your documents. Just zoom right there. Docs. And again, just click the blank document here if we want to start from scratch or from any of these templates. Okay. Click the blank document. Here it comes. It's opening up. And before you get started, name this document. What do you want to name it? What is it? Is it just like notes about something? Is it an invoice for a certain individual? What is it? Okay. And once you create this document, once you just name it, if you were to go back to the Docs area or even the Drive, guess what appears? That's right. Invoice for person's name. Because whatever document you create, it's going to find its way into this list of all your documents on your Drive. And if you were to click on the Docs icon, same thing. You're going to see an invoice for that you're creating. Pretty cool. So if you ever close these windows, don't worry. Your document is waiting for you. Click on the Drive icon, and there it is. And you can actually search for, let's say you had a bunch of documents in here, but what was that new one you just created? Oh, let's see, it was invoice, and there it is. So you would search for whatever it is that you created, either by title, the name of the document, or contents inside the document as well. All right, well, hey, this concludes this video on how you create a Google Doc from within the Gmail account, because you got to have a Gmail account to access the Google Drive, your Drive. This is specific to you. And once you do, just go ahead and click New, Google Docs, blank document. That's usually what I do. I'll create my own thing. Or go grab it from a template. It's up to you. Click blank document. There's your document, ready for you to start typing in. And don't forget to name it. Give it some kind of a name. Whatever it is. Doesn't matter. Now, real quick, one of my favorite ways to create a new doc is to do that within a Google Doc itself. So here we are inside a Google Doc, and let's say we were working on this and there's text in here, but you want to create a new one. Well, File, New, Document. And you could actually create a new document within a Google document. Kind of cool. Just kind of like Microsoft Word, File, New Word document. So same thing. So File, New, Document creates an all new Google document. Just remember to give it a title and you're off to the races. And that's it. All right, that concludes this video tutorial on how to create a Google Doc. Let's go to the next video and I'll show you a lot about what the navigation menu is like for a Google document, such as, File, Edit, View, Insert, Format. What do all these mean? Because once you kind of know what these mean, the menu items, and then we go over these icons, now you're ready to start creating Google Docs like crazy. All right, come on, let's check it out. That's in the video upcoming and those right after.